Hello, ghoulish people. I'm Chef Robby Hooker. Today, you'll be joining me in the fiery pits of despair for some frightful fun food. We'll be smoking a beef clod in the Alto-Sham Cook and Hold smoker, which gives us a high yield for a high ROI. We'll also be using our Cambro food pans. All of this will really help us nail the recipe. Generously season the beef clod with a dry rub of your choice and place it in a Cambro food pan with a lid. After the seasoned beef has set in the utility refrigerator overnight in the Cambro food pan, we will remove it. Then insert the Alto-Sham low temp probe into the thickest section of the beef clod. Place the beef clod into the Alto-Sham Cook and Hold smoker. Press the program smoke beef button. Now we can torture some lost souls through the night. Remove the smoked beef the next day. Shred the smoked beef and everyone will be screaming for bites. From the fiery pits of despair, I'm Chef Robby Hooker. Make sure and join us next time when my good buddy Death shows us how to make Texas Death by chocolate cake.